Hey lovelies, today I'm going to share something super exciting, totally free, that could boost your Bitcoin wallet. And you heard that right, Bitcoin, BTC. So if you are tired of hearing about how hard it is to get into crypto without shelling out a ton of cash or breaking the bank, stick around. Today, I'm going to be proving to you how an awesome platform lets you earn Bitcoin by doing some fun and easy tasks. Do not go anywhere and hit that subscribe button, share this video, like it, and turn on your bell notification for more interesting money-making videos like this. I discovered this platform a few months back when I was scrolling through YouTube, ironically watching for videos about how to make extra cash. Who doesn't want to earn a little extra right here and there? Then I stumbled on this website. It has literally turned my free time into BTC, Bitcoin. It is super user-friendly and legit, which is not something you can say about every platform out there. Plus, Bitcoin is the future, my friends. Lovelies, the website so much talked about is Quantiply. Quantiply, it's an amazing website that rewards you for doing tasks with Bitcoin. This is free Bitcoin, BTC. Once you're on this website, my lovelies, create an account. You're gonna go right up here to sign up. If you already have an account, you wanna log in, all right? And this literally takes 2 minutes to throw in your email and set a password, and bam, you are in. Once you are in, okay, you can participate in all this service, all this you are seeing right here. There is a share your opinion, complete survey every day to earn thousands of coins. This right here by your right. All right. You can watch videos. Beneath it, you can see watch videos and earn coins. All right. And you can even play games. Come to the left side, you see play game and earn coins. Plus, you can complete other tasks. Personally, I love watching videos. This right here, I'm taking survey while I sip my coffee. It's like getting paid to chill. And before I forget, Quantiply has these cool features where you can earn daily bonuses. If you log in every day, when you go here and log in every day, you get a little something, something. Who doesn't love free stuff? And you're probably wondering, how much are you making? Because I'm talking, you haven't seen what I'm making, right? It depends on how much you're willing to invest. The more tasks you complete on this Quantiply, on this website, the more you earn. For me, I started off small after my first week. Added to the fact that I have employees to manage and all of that, I managed to accumulate a few bucks worth of Bitcoin, and it just kept growing from there. They even have a reward. Look at here. When you go under this feature, there is a reward system put in place, all right, where you can redeem your Bitcoins for gift cards. And imagine converting your free time into gift cards and Bitcoins. Here you have loyalty bonus by the left. Log in each day to boost your loyalty bonus all the way to 100%. They also have reward points. You earn reward points by completing tasks and boosting your level, cashing reward points and prizes. Another cool feature about them is fast payment. You can withdraw your coins anytime to your Bitcoin, Doge, Dash, or LTC That's Litecoin wallet. If you have any of this wallet, you can withdraw from here. Another feature here is earn in interest. Multiply your coins. There's expert support. You can deposit coins. There's community, and there's 25% for referrals. All right, lovelies. And if you're feeling extra generous, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. I'm planning on making more videos about my journey in the crypto world, and you wouldn't want to miss that. Let me know in the comment section if you are investing in any crypto and how that is coming for you. Share this video with your family and friends. Give it a thumbs up and turn on your bell notification. I'll see you in my next video.